Hello guys, today we're gonna be chilling. Just make sure I got my video is on. Yep, it is still on. So, oh look, there's those, what are those two up to doing? I wonder what they're doing today. Well, I'm just chilling guys. Got my gun here just in case. Alright. Just chilling.
Give me your money right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Okay. Yo. Oh.
What the heck?
Oh. Get over here. Oh.
Look out behind.
I blocked that with my R, boy. Oh yeah? You think you're good? Thanks for the bullet. Holy crap.
Oh.
Reloading. Alright. Those two will come up anytime. What's up, baby? You think? Oh, thanks for the bullet, bro. Oh. Ow. Holy crap. These two really want the money, but they're not getting any. Ah. Oh, my arm. Ah!
Oh, you good?
Ah! Headshot.
Wait. Thanks for the
Respawning.
You guys gotta respawn.
NBCs, we're ready for this.
Oh dang.
We aren't paid for enough for this. But we're still doing it.
Hit boy.
There you
Okay.
Oh. Crap shot.
I'll revive you.
Oh.
Pick it up.
Hit me right now. Boy.
Dang, these guys really want to.
Yeah.
Alright, this really isn't a fight. If I'm stuck.
Oh. Dang.
Whoa.
Wait. Oh shit. Oh.
Oh crap, I gotta go. Oh crap. Ammo equipped.
Okay.
Oh crap. I'm out of ammo. Back up ammo.
It only takes one bullet.
Backup ammo activated. Hey, I'm in a safe spot. You can't get me. It's a shield. There's a shield. There's a shield. There's a shield.
Good shield.
This is a shield. No, this
Good shield.
No, this isn't a visual
Oh.
shield.
Yeah. Not that thing, this thing. It's spinning. Activating
Ow.
melee.
What? It shot two of them.
Activating melee. Yes, yo, Fosio.
You missed.
Get over here. What's that thing? Out of ammo. Oh. Up there.
I'm gonna get you. Ow. Ow.
Fight me, woman.
I don't think that's gonna slide, boy.
That's it. Oh.
Oh.
You will not fight with honor.
Oh, that was a good shot. Okay.
Yes, it was. You will not fight with honor, you said that.
But no. Nose breaker. Nose breaker.
Oh, it's behind you. Out of ammo. Run.
Yeah, I'm out of ammo.
Oh yeah? You think that's funny?
Yep. Hilarious.
Well, if you think that's hilarious, then you're gonna die.
So long.
Thanks for the bullet.
It's taking all our bullets. We're running out. Or I'm not sure.
They were in.
Oh no. Fireball, come on. Yeah, bro.
You missed.
Oh, yeah, no, I don't.
You're just giving me free ammo, bruh.
Too bad.
Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no, no.
Let's take that outside.
That is no, no. Okay, new rule. No shooting over here because it might go in that thing.
What thing?
That. Because that, one of the mega bullets almost went through there. It was literally caught on the metal bar. It almost went in there. So no
Okay.
more shooting over here.
Okay.
I get it.
Alright, you're gonna die.
Oh.
I shot you in the heart, bro.
Yeah. I was gonna say the only place I can shoot. Yeah. That's so smart.
Thanks for the bullet.
I'm good.
Thanks for the bullet that I would not take. It's not my size.
Okay, you got it. How good is that bolt? Or this is the armor?
That is some good armor.
You're out of ammo! Bah! 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 You missed.
Yeah. None of this big red ammo is fit for me.
It only takes one bullet.
Oh, did you see that? That bullet curved.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, ricochet. Ah! I'm out of ammo. I need to reload. Ah! Reloading. You know what's really unfortunate? This isn't a video game, so it's not that quick to reload.
Yeah, it's like, oh no, I got 3 more bullets.
Armor.
All my bullets are on there.
I'm out of bullets.
I'm not.
Haha, you flinched. Holy crap! Okay, that's dangerous.
Yeah, but you're dangerous. They lit. You were supposed to. They didn't sound dangerous.
It's called danger. Danger's in the name.
Ow!
Long shot.
Oh.
Ow, you got me in the ear. Oh.
Oh, that was walking. Okay. Take his money. Take his money.
Give me money.
Bullets. Oh, he's just holding a bunch of your bullets.
Oh no.
No,
Get it.
bullets. Get the bullets. Take it. Oh, get the bullets. No. Yes.
Okay, you're gonna rip this. You're gonna rip
Give me
it.
the bullets. Give me all your bullets. Take his bullets. Thanks for the bullets. Yeah, thanks. Oh, run.
Okay, no looting because that's just.
Just loot a body.
Yeah, it's a room.
You're a body kicking us off, so.
Yeah.
I don't know how that works.
I only got 3 bullets with that.
Yeah, I need my bullets.
You took all my bullets, you mother freakers.
Yeah.
I was surrounded all
My bullets.
He's been stealing all your
I'm
bullets.
tired.
He's been stealing all your bullets.
No,
He
you.
doesn't even need them.
Yeah, I do because.
Yeah, why do you need the right bullets?
Well, they're supposed to be a part of my thing.
Okay.
Oh.
They're just a decoration. Except the ones that are on the straps, those are not decorations.
doing? Tell me one reason why I shouldn't shoot you.
Because you're my friend.
I'm robbing you.
Nice baby bullets.
I headshotted him 3 times. Nothing happened.
What are you doing?
Killing you.
Alright, I think we're done. I don't want to do this anymore.
Too bad. She really missed. Bro really missed.
No, I'm losing the mask. I'm losing the mask.
Oh.
Alright, we're picking up bullets. This is done. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.